Do you ever freeze up the moment you need small talk with strangers, or even friends? Imagine if walking into a conversation felt as natural as breathing, and every word you spoke built trust, connection, even influence. In How to Talk to Anybody, Derek Borthwick reveals neuroscience-backed strategies, stage-by-stage skill development, and storytelling secrets that can turn awkward small talk into meaningful connection. In the next few minutes, we'll break down each chapter's essential lessons, and how you can apply them today. Chapter 1. Communication is a learnable skill. Communication isn't innate, it's a skill you develop through stages. Unconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, conscious competence, unconscious competence. 1. Skill-building mindset. See yourself as evolving through levels of competence. 2. Micro-practice wins. Small, repeated actions, like labeling emotions or summarizing others' words, build automatic competence. Applying this means starting simple. Pick one technique a week. Say, active listening. Focus fully on one person's words. Reflect back what they say. Then, drop a new technique next week. Before you know it, your conversations will feel effortless. Chapter 2. Master your inner world. Fear is learned. The brain treats imagined scenarios like reality. Confidence is a mindset you cultivate through heart trigger visualization. 1. Imagination hack. Before a chat, visualize a warm, confident aura radiating from your chest. 2. Shift focus outward. Use R+ mindset to consider others first, not your own nerves. Before you enter a networking event tonight, close your eyes for 30 seconds. Picture warm golden energy flowing out. Use it to shift your focus to curiosity about others. Chapter 3. Understand your brain. We have a triune brain, reptilian, mammalian, neocortex. To build rapport, first engage the lower, emotion-driven levels with warmth and simplicity. 1. Nonverbal first. Tone, posture, facial expression. These speak louder than words. 2. Stories activate emotion. Weave images and feelings before facts to engage deeper parts of the brain. Script line. Next time you begin a pitch, start with a 30-second story. Don't lead with the solution, lead with the emotion. Chapter 4. Your reality is filtered. We all live in our own mental maps. Brains fill in gaps, filter, generalize. Pattern interrupts, unexpected questions. Snap people from autopilot. 1. Break the script. Ask surprising questions to stand out. 2. Adapt to their map. Ask questions that align with their worldview, match their experiences and interests. Script line. Instead of the usual, "What do you do?" try, "What's a tiny win you had this week?" And notice how their energy shifts. Chapter 5. Cultivate genuine intent and R+. R+ means remember, respect, and reflect. Show you value the person sincerely. 1. Connect with positive intent. Find something real to admire. 2. Reflect that appreciation nonverbally. Smile. Maintain gentle eye contact. Script line. Commit today. Before any conversation, pause and ask yourself, what do I appreciate about this person? Let that shape your presence. Chapter 6. Ask, reflect, observe. Ask, QROQ loop. A conversational loop. Ask, reflect, observe, ask deeper. 1. Reflective echoing. Mirror words to confirm understanding. 2. Observe nonverbals. Energy drops or inflections guide next question. Script line. If someone says, "I've been swamped at work this week," respond with, "Swamped? That sounds intense. What's been most challenging?" Use their language, then go deeper. Chapter 7. The magic of stories and metaphors. Stories activate our reptilian and mammalian brains. Emotions, images, meaning. 1. Structure your stories. Start with context, build tension, finish with insight. 2. Use vivid details. Specifics hook attention. Time, place, sensorily describe. Script line. Before your next proposal, weave in one quick story, e.g., "Last month I was on a 5 a.m. run," then tie its lesson to your point. Chapter 8. Handling tough conversations. Approach with calm nonverbal cues, acknowledge emotions, then guide with open questions. Use "and" rather than "but" to validate and add. 1. Pause before reacting. Deep breath or pause. Control reactions. 2. Label the emotion. Sounds like that really frustrated you. 3. Redirect with and what else to guide dialogue forward. Script line. In your next conflict, pause before responding. Label what they feel. Then ask, and what would help? You've now got 8 neuroscience-driven chapters full of tools, from mindset shifts to powerful questions, from storytelling to mastering stress. Pick one chapter skill this week, practice it in real conversations, and watch your connections deepen. Tell me in the comments, which skill are you going to master first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because every week we'll unpack more tools to upgrade your conversation game and transform your relationships. Let's make every conversation count. Start today.